Hey there, how is it going? Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to line your lip with a lip liner. Honestly, this video is kind of spontaneous, but I hope it's helpful. So this is how you line your lip. My pencil is almost done. So you start with the top lip like that, line it all the way to where the M is, like the tip of your lip. You first of all just line it according to how your lip looks like. You just keep shading. Shade all the way. Ideally go to the corners. It gives you an illusion. It makes your lip like outline pretty well. You do the same thing here. Outer part of your lip, like that. And you keep going on the other side. Oh, I should have set my light. I forgot. So this is how it looks like. This is the tricky part. When you finish lining, make sure you lick your lip like this, just to get it moisturized. Okay, and this is what I did. I have a lip moisturizer that I use all the time. It just keeps my lips moisturized. Because sometimes, you know, when you finish bathing, your lip is usually dry. After the moisturizer, if you have maybe a red lipstick, I like the pinkish one, because sometimes you don't even have to line it if your lip is red like mine. Yeah, sometimes you don't even need it, but if you want to, there's a little bit of lipstick on the edges, so I just rub it and in the corners. Can you see? So this is how it looks. I'm not using my lip gloss. This is a tinted lip oil. So what I do is line it at the top of your lip, like this side, all the way. I give you that glossy look, like that. And then come to the bottom part, like it. Can you see? And then you go here. And then if you want more glossiness like on your lip, you just go on top of here like that. You make sure you clean, you wipe that dark side, because it's gonna make your lip like look really dark. You don't want that. Or over time it just turns like pinkish red on your lip. No, I haven't used the lip gloss in a very long time, so this is the one
the lip looks like.
So this is how, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I see you in the next one. Mwah. Cheers.